Hello everyone, this is Rajesh Sharma, Android trainer at Pro Academy. So we discuss about the Android curriculum, we know about the need of Android technology and its applications in this trending world. So first of all, we discuss about what is Android. Android is a software package and Linux based operating system for mobile devices such as smartphones, watches, and other gadgets. It is developed by OHA, Open Handset Alliance, and Google. Java is mainly used to write Android code, but we can also use C, C++ for developing applications. Android is a competitive language for Mac OS or Apple devices. We use Android Studio for developing Android applications. Who can learn Android? So let's talk about who can learn Android. So anyone who have a basic knowledge of Java language can go for Android learning. One who want to make mobile games, business process applications, and want to become a developer in a minimum cost as it's a free open source and can learn it. Prerequisites to learn Android. Install Java SDK and Android Studio in your system and start designing your applications in Android. One need to have knowledge of Java concepts to start with Android programming. Now look at the syllabus for Android. We have divided the whole syllabus in 17 sessions plus one live project. Introduction to Android. What is the history behind Android development? What is Android? Prerequisite to learn Android. Then we have introduction to mobile apps. Why do we need mobile apps? Different kind of mobile apps. Briefly about Android. Then we study about Android architecture, overview of Android stack, Linux kernel layer, native layer, Dalvik virtual machine, application framework layer, application layer, Android runtime. Android features messaging, telephony, notifications, and alarm. Then we learn how to install Android on machine. First of all, configure Android stack, set up Android Studio, and then work with Android Studio. Then we learn Android components. There are 4 major Android components: activities, services, broadcast receiver, and content providers. Then we have our first Hello World application. First of all, create your project, then about manifest file which has information of all the activities and services used in a project. Then we have layout resource file which have all the design of application. Then we run our application on emulator and mobile device. Then we learn how to build user interface with activities. Activities we learn then we have views, layouts, and common user interface components. Then we learn how to create UI through code and XML. Then we have activity lifecycle, have intents, and how to communicate between activities using intents. Then we have advanced UI, where selection components consist of recycler view, list view, and spinner. Then we learn about adapters and custom adapters. Then we have complex UI components, build UI for performance, menus, and create compound views. Then we have notifications, toast, custom toast, dialogues, custom dialogues, status bar notifications, styles and themes, creating and applying simple style, inheriting built-in style and user-defined style, using styles as themes. Then we have data storage, consists of shared preference, SQLite, introduce SQLite, SQLite open helper, and how to create a database, how to open and close a database, and how to work with cursors while inserting, updating, and deleting data in a database. Then we learn about content provider, how to access built-in content provider, how to search content, how to add, change, and remove content from existing files, how to create content files, and how to create own content provider. Then we have services. We have overview of services in Android, how to implement a service, and then what is service lifecycle of a service. Then we have location-based services and Google Maps, how to use location-based service, how to find current location and listening for changes in location, working with Google Maps, showing Google Maps in an activity, map overlay, geocoder, display route on map via map application. Then we have wireless fidelity or Wi-Fi, monitoring and managing internet connectivity, how to manage active connections and Wi-Fi networks. Then we have telephony services, how to make calls, how to monitor data connectivity and activity, how to access phone properties, how to control the phone and how to send message. Then we have camera, how to take picture from camera and how to record video using media recorder. And after we cover all the topics, then we have our live sample project. So this is all from Android curriculum and demo. Thank you.